What's up guys, and welcome to this channel. This is Android Crawl Officials, and for this video I'm going to guide you on how you can uninstall an application you've already installed from Microsoft Store. So this is a tutorial on how you can uninstall the application or games that you want to remove on your Windows PC. So let's get started. So first thing first, I'm going to install a certain application and we are going to uninstall this one. Okay, so for example, I'm going to install Spotify Music, and I decided to uninstall this one just because I don't have to use it anymore. So okay, so let's just install, and it will install, and let's just wait for a while until this application will be installed on our PC. Okay, so now let's just wait for a couple of seconds until it will completely install. So this is installing, and you can see that the application is installed. So if you want to remove this one, let's check if this application is already been installed. So let's search Spotify, and okay, you can see that it's already been installed. So now we are going to uninstall this one. Just click and then go to this settings here, and then you will see any apps. Just click these apps and then scroll down a little bit and then find the Spotify. So let's find this Spotify. Okay, Spotify. Okay, here just click this once, left click, and then uninstall. So it will press the uninstall. Then let's just see if there's still the Spotify on our computer. So there's no Spotify at all. So that's it on how you can uninstall a specific application on your device from where you installed the application from Microsoft Store. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching guys, and peace.